strumpet, slut, whore, bitch, cunt. It all comes down to what we keep between our thighs. All I know is that we turn against each other. Each art club, our unclothed bodies is like a crime scene. Wrapped in yellow tape, call me a massacre because I've been killing boys ever since the day they tasted my breath and called me pretty, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, perfect, plastic, carved from silicone. My body is developing cancerous distractions. The world painting my body and its actions, sideshow attractions. They were ringleaders in this carnival of distortion, picturesque and grotesque. All they wanted was a contortionist. They asked for this, and it was always them, obsessed and hell-bent. They asked to see us stripped down, naked, hollow eyes, expected innocence, pretty mouths and closed lips. They didn't want to hear the echo of their screams in our own voices. Dignity they told us to have. Didn't mention the stacks of Playboys they kept beneath their box spring.